Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Never Dull, a fantastic metal polish. First, let's prepare. You will need your can of Never Dull, a clean, soft cloth, and perhaps some gloves to keep your hands clean. Always work in a well-ventilated area to ensure good air circulation. It is crucial to check that the surface you are polishing is indeed metal and not lacquered or painted, as Never Dull is not suitable for those finishes. Now, let's get to the application. Open your can and tear off a small portion of the cotton wadding. You don't need a large piece. Even a small amount holds plenty of the cleaning solution. Begin rubbing the wadding firmly over the metal surface. You will notice the wadding turning dark as it lifts away dirt, tarnish, and even rust. Keep rubbing until you see that satisfying dark residue, which means it is actively cleaning. After applying the wadding, let the treated area dry for just a few moments. This allows the polishing agents to work their magic. Next, take your clean, soft, dry cloth and begin to buff the metal. You can use small, circular motions or follow the natural grain of the metal. As you buff, you will see the dullness disappear, revealing a brilliant, lasting luster and a beautifully polished finish. To get the most out of your Never Dull, here are a few tips. The cotton wadding can be reused multiple times, even after it turns black from cleaning. It still holds plenty of polishing power. Always replace the lid tightly on the can immediately after use to prevent the wadding from drying out. Store your Never Dull in a cool, dry place, away from any heat sources or open flames, to maintain its effectiveness for a long time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.